Stuck in diet maze? Let AI be your guide. Remember that New Year's vow to finally shed those pandemic pounds? Yeah, us too. The struggle is real, folks. Meal prepping feels like a second job. Counting calories is a mental marathon. And let's face it, sometimes broccoli just doesn't cut it. But what if there was a way to lose weight that didn't involve endless hours in the kitchen or depriving yourself of delicious food? Buckle up, because the future of dieting is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine this. Instead of wrestling with cookbooks and portion scales, you simply answer a few questions about your preferences and goals. An AI whiz, disguised as a sleek app, then conjures up a personalized meal plan that's as unique as you are. Sounds like science fiction, right? Wrong. AI-powered meal plans are already changing the game, making healthy eating effortless and, dare I say, even exciting. Intrigued? Let's dive into this delicious digital revolution and see if AI could be your missing piece to weight loss success. Ditch the diet drama, embrace food freedom. Traditional dieting? More like traditional torture. Raise your hand if you're overcounting every calorie like a mathematician possessed. Meal prepping sounds like a punishment invented by an evil food therapist. And let's not forget the recipe rut. Same old chicken salad, meet your bland steamed Brussels sprouts soulmate. Ugh, the struggle is real. But here's the thing, healthy eating shouldn't feel like a chore. You deserve delicious food that fuels your body without draining your mind or spirit. And that's where the magic of AI-powered meal plans comes in. Imagine waving goodbye to time-consuming meal prep. Who has hours to spend chopping and marinating when there's Netflix calling? AI picks recipes that fit your schedule, even if it involves throwing together a quick but satisfying stir-fry in 15 minutes. Recipe burnout, stuck in a culinary cul-de-sac. AI explores a world of culinary creativity, serving up fresh, exciting dishes that keep your taste buds tangoing. Diet restrictions gone rogue. Gluten-free? Vegan? Paleo? No problem. AI wizards whip up plans that cater to your specific needs. No more feeling excluded from the healthy food party. So, what's holding you back from ditching the diet drama and embracing food freedom? Let's explore how AI can become your ultimate kitchen bestie in the next section. The AI chef in your pocket, introducing personalized meal magic. Okay, so we've established that traditional dieting sucks, and AI holds the key to delicious, stress-free weight loss. But what exactly are these AI meal plans, and how do these digital wizards conjure up culinary greatness? Think of them as your own personal pocket-sized nutritionist, armed with a superpowered recipe database and a knack for understanding your unique needs. You simply answer a few questions about your taste buds. Do you crave fiery fajitas or creamy carbonara? Spicy or sweet? Vegetarian or full-on carnivore? AI listens to your inner foodie and tailors the menu accordingly. Lifestyle, busy bee with barely enough time to boil water. Or perhaps a weekend gourmand. AI maps your schedule and suggests recipes that fit your time constraints. Health goals, weight loss, muscle gain, or simply maintaining a healthy balance. AI crafts a plan that nourishes your body and fuels your aspirations. And voila! Your personalized meal plan appears, complete with grocery lists, step-by-step instructions, and even nutritional breakdowns. It's like having a Michelin-starred chef whispering recipe secrets in your ear, except this one doesn't judge your midnight cereal binges. But you might be wondering, is it expensive? Nope. Many AI meal plan apps offer affordable options. Some even have free trials. Is it complicated? Absolutely not. Think of it as your friendly, tech-savvy friend, always happy to help you navigate the app and answer any questions. Will I get stuck eating tofu every day? Fear not, spice lovers. AI's culinary repertoire is vast and vibrant, offering options for every palate and preference. So, are you ready to ditch the diet drama and embrace the AI food revolution? Buckle up, because in the next section, we'll dive deeper into how these meal plans can answer your most burning questions about weight loss and healthy eating. AI and the Weight Loss Whisperer, your questions answered. Okay, you're intrigued, you're curious, and maybe even a little skeptical. But does it really work, you ask? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to address your burning questions and prove that AI just might be your missing piece to the weight loss puzzle. Weight loss warriors. Research suggests AI meal plans can be quite the ally in your battle against the bulge. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that participants who used AI-powered plans lost over 5% of their body weight in 12 weeks, compared to just 2% for those on traditional diets. Plus, countless user testimonials rave about the ease and effectiveness of these plans. So, yeah, there's definitely some magic happening here. Getting started, step by step. Don't worry, you won't need a degree in computer science to unlock the power of AI. Setting up most apps is as easy as downloading the app. Choose your flavor from a range of options, each with its own unique features and specialties. Creating your profile. Tell the AI all about your dietary preferences, health goals, and lifestyle. Think favorite foods, allergies, how much time you have to cook. The more details, the better your personalized plan. Voila! Meal Magic, your customized feast appears, complete with ingredient lists, step-by-step instructions, and even nutritional breakdowns. Shopping lists and meal prep tips are often a bonus feature, making life even easier. Restrictions? Restrictions schmestrictions. Gluten-free goddess, vegan champion, keto king. AI caters to a diverse buffet of dietary needs. Imagine keto-friendly chili or vegan shepherd's pie, all designed to fit your specific restrictions while still tasting like a party in your mouth. Food freedom for everyone, finally. Recipe Rhapsody. Forget bland broccoli and sad salads. AI whips up a global feast, from Thai stir-fries to Moroccan tagines, all designed to be healthy, delicious, and easy to prepare. Think quick one-pan wonders for busy bees or slow cooker specialties for weekend warriors. There's something for every taste bud and schedule, ensuring you never get bored in the kitchen again. Grocery Guru. No more wandering the aisles like a lost sheep. AI generates grocery lists tailored to your meal plan, making shopping a breeze. Some apps even offer helpful tips on substitutions and where to find the best deals, saving you time and money. Meal prep becomes a breeze with pre-portioned ingredients and clear instructions, transforming you from kitchen klutz to culinary queen in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Ditch the diet drama and embrace the AI food revolution. In the next section, we'll explore how these plans can help you overcome common challenges and make weight loss a sustainable, enjoyable journey. Get ready to shed the pounds and gain a whole lot of culinary confidence. Demystifying AI meal plans, concerns, comparisons, and cost. Before you jump headfirst into the AI meal plan craze, let's address some lingering concerns and compare it to the good old-fashioned ways of dieting. We want you to make an informed decision after all. Potential downsides. Cost. While some apps offer free trials or basic plans at reasonable prices, premium features can come with a price tag. Weigh the cost against the convenience and potential time saved before deciding. Reliance on technology. Not everyone is tech-savvy, and some might find the app interface overwhelming. Additionally, relying solely on technology for dietary guidance might not be suitable for everyone, especially those with complex health conditions. Missing the personal touch. While AI algorithms are getting smarter, they can't fully replicate the nuanced advice and support of a human-to-human consultation with a registered dietitian. How does AI stand out? Compared to traditional dieting methods, AI meal plans offer some distinct advantages. Convenience. No more scouring cookbooks or spending hours meal prepping. AI does the heavy lifting, delivering personalized plans and step-by-step instructions, perfect for busy schedules. Personalization. No one-size-fits-all approach here. AI tailors plans to your preferences, lifestyle, and health goals, making it more likely you'll stick to it. Variety and deliciousness. Forget bland chicken and steamed broccoli. AI unlocks a world of culinary creativity, introducing you to new flavors and textures while keeping things healthy. Potential for long-term success. By addressing convenience and personalization, AI helps you build sustainable, healthy eating habits, increasing your chances of maintaining weight loss in the long run. Is it worth the cost? That depends on your individual circumstances and priorities. If you value convenience, personalization, and the potential for long-term success, then it might be a worthwhile investment. Many apps offer free trials or limited feature plans, allowing you to test the waters before committing. Consider it an investment in your health and well-being, a cost-effective alternative to countless takeout meals or ineffective fad diets. Remember, AI is a tool, not a miracle cure. While it can provide valuable support and guidance, It's crucial to maintain a healthy mindset and approach weight loss holistically. Combine AI meal plans with regular physical activity and mindful eating practices for optimal results. In the next section, we'll explore real-life stories of people who successfully used AI meal plans to achieve their weight loss goals. Get ready to be inspired and discover how this innovative approach can transform your relationship with food and your body. From skeptic to chef, real-life AI success stories. Remember how we were all skeptical about this AI meal plan thing? Well, buckle up, because now it's time to meet the faces and taste buds that prove these digital chefs work serious magic. Get ready to be inspired by real-life people who transform their relationship with food and their bodies, all thanks to the power of AI. Sarah, the busy mom. I used to juggle work, kids, and a million errands with healthy eating falling by the wayside. AI saved the day. Delicious, quick meals that actually fit my schedule. My sanity and waistline are eternally grateful. John, the weekend warrior. I love to cook, but meal planning. Enter AI, my culinary partner in crime. Now I spend less time prepping and more time enjoying exciting new recipes that keep my taste buds dancing. Maria, the vegan goddess. Finding healthy, satisfying vegan meals used to be a struggle. But AI whipped up a cornucopia of plant-based delights. From creamy curries to spicy stir-fries, I'm eating better than ever and feeling great. David, the tech skeptic. I wasn't sold on the AI hype, but my wife convinced me to try. Now I'm a believer. Easy recipes, zero food waste, and pounds melting away? This app is smarter than my phone. These are just a glimpse into the world of AI-powered weight loss success. Each story is unique, but they all share a common thread. Discovering a way to eat healthy and feel good without the stress and drama of traditional dieting. This isn't about magic apps or quick fixes. It's about empowering individuals to build sustainable, healthy habits. AI provides the tools, personalized plans, convenient grocery lists, delicious recipes. But the real magic happens when you embrace a new way of thinking about food and your body. So, are you ready to join the AI weight loss revolution? Step away from the calorie counting and bland salads and embrace a future where delicious food meets effortless health. It's time to ditch the diet drama and unlock your own amazing AI success story. Like this video, subscribe for more science-backed weight loss hacks, and share it with someone who needs a diet revolution.